In this video, I will share you how to get balanced stock. We have here purchase sheet of mobile brands, sales sheet of mobile brands. I am using here SUMIF of purchase. Let us see how it works. I am just changing heading as inventory sheet. Now I am typing here SUMIF function inside bracket criteria range as purchase sheet part number products, criteria as part number in inventory sheet, and some range of purchase sheet dot reduce with SUMIF function of sales sheet will get inventory. Inside SUMIF criteria range as sales sheet part number products, criteria as part number in inventory sheet, and some range of sales sheet. We can check manually part number GPX 8X55. We can make some change in the sales of that particular product. Now it works. Hope you understand. Thanks for your time. Please subscribe and share.